A common problem you may run into if you're working on vehicles, and particularly if you're doing body work or painting vehicles like we did to that car in previous videos, is that when you remove rocker panels or body panels, whatever, you're going to end up having to remove these plastic rivets. And they are generally a one-time use type of thing. You cut them out, just like I want to cut this one out here with a pair of snips, and you can't reuse them. But there's a great tool, handy tool for this. I'm going to show you how to use. It uses plastic rivets like this. Gives it a nice professional look to it when you put the panels back into place. Inside the big box is our plastic hand riveter. Whole bunch of different size rivets, some really big ones, which is really nice. These are the ones I wanted. Yep, they're all pretty good size. Got 1, 3, 4 different packages. I like to see this, the really big rivets. That's the looks like the most. And our little hand riveter, obviously. Here's an example of the type of thing you might have to do if you don't have the plastic riveter. I had to run a zip tie through the holes into the fender here to keep it temporarily while I waited for my zip tie, or while I waited for my riveting tool to come in. So I'm going to remove this, take our riveter, get one of my big plastic rivets, so you put the shaft into the end of the tool. So now you press it in straight. I'm hoping this is going to come out. Hold it into place. And there you go. I'll do the other one. Oh, and then you gotta get the end of the shaft there. That's what you're gonna be left with. So, oh shoot, I dropped that. I'll show you in the next one here. So again, there is our rivet. There's the shaft of the rivet. Put it in the end like so. Once you start to put a little pressure on this down here, it holds the rivet in place. And then you can line up your work like this. Oops. Push that in, hold pressure against it. Much easier than tie wraps and a lot tidier. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.